In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a Turnitin assignment in the Canvas Learning Management System. To create a Turnitin assignment, click Assignments in the column on the left-hand side. Click Plus Assignment, include an assignment name. Maybe this is an assignment for an ecology course. So I'm going to call it Carbon Footprint Paper. You can add assignment details here in this box, but I usually add assignment details to a page that I then add to the weekly module. Number of points, I want it to be worth 5 points. Assignment group, assignments. Display grade as points, and I don't want to check the box next to do not count this assignment towards a final grade because I do want these points to be included in the total points in the course. Submission type, external tool, and I want to find Turnitin. So I'm going to search for Turnitin. Select, load this tool in a new tab, allowed attempts limited, number of attempts 4. That way students have a chance to resubmit the paper after viewing the plagiarism report. Assign to everyone, due a week from today, and available starting today. Save and publish. I'm going to click Load Carbon Footprint Paper in a new window, and now I can edit the Turnitin settings. The title will remain, max grade, start and due date, all of that will remain the same. The feedback release date is the date when students can view your feedback. I like to set the date a week after the assignment due date, so that way I have a week to grade the assignment. So a week after the due date would be March 7th. Now I want to change the optional settings. Submit papers to standard paper repository, and Turnitin stores the papers and uses the stored documents to make similarity checks against any document submitted in the future. So I do want to make sure that's selected. Allow submission of any file type. I don't allow late submissions, but if you do, you can check that box. Enable grammar checking using ETS e-rater technology. That just provides students with feedback, grammar feedback. You can always attach a rubric if you'd like to. I don't want to attach a rubric. Compare against student paper repository, current and archived website content, periodicals, journals, and publications. All of that is checked. Similarity report, generate similarity reports for student submission, generate reports immediately. So I want to make sure the students see the report right after they submit the paper, and I want them to be able to resubmit until the due date. I want to check allow students to view similarity reports because I do want them to see where there's plagiarism in their paper so that they can fix it and resubmit their paper. I do want to exclude bibliographic materials because I don't want the resources to be counted in their plagiarism percentage. I can also exclude quoted materials, and I will save these settings for future use. So now I will submit this information. And now I have created a Turnitin assignment. And in the How to Create a Turnitin Assignment Part 2 video, I will demonstrate how to create an assignment page and how to add that page to a module.